Hello everyone and welcome back to another video with me, Alyssa J. Today I went into Five Below and decided to see what slime supplies they had there and what I could use to make different slimes. I've never been to a Five Below before. From what I know, we don't have them where I live in Canada, so it was a really cool experience to go and see what this store had to offer because it's different from a dollar store and that things can be a bit pricier, but they're not as expensive as they are at Walmart or Target, for example. So this was a really interesting in-between type of store, and there were some really cool items there and a lot of slime specific items, which was really cool that stores have slime and recognize slime is a big trend. This was a really cool little pop socket thing that I saw. They are so unique. I love my pop socket, and that was really interesting. I didn't end up buying it because I already have one, but I thought it'd be cool to show you. They had these cool ooze things. I got the jelly one, the red jelly one, and I thought I would see if it makes a good cloud or jelly slime and test it out and see what it does. I got some of these packages of glitter, face glitter, body glitter, because I thought they'd be fun to add to slime. And then I got this set of lip balms as well because I wanted to add that to slime, of course. And they had a huge makeup section as well, so I went and checked out the face masks because I like to find ones that have PVA in them because usually those will make slime, or they have polyvinyl alcohol that usually makes slime. And I also just found some plain old pretty ones, like there was that gold face mask that I ended up getting because it was just pretty and I liked it. And I got this 24 karat gold mask for my sister. I thought she would really like that. And I found this really cool peel off clay mask that I thought would be interesting, and it has polyvinyl alcohol, so I wonder what texture it'll make. And then I got that pop. I looked around and was looking at the room decor and home decor. There was that soft pillow. They had some scents. They had these cool sequined pillows that change when you touch it. They also had some really cute erasers. Fun fact, I used to collect erasers when I was younger, erasers that were in like cool shapes. So it was fun to see that they had some here. And they had this huge wall of kits in general, and there were so many slime kits here. I was very surprised to see that. I wish I could take these and bring them home with me, but unfortunately I couldn't. But they had such a wide variety there, and I'm sure there are other videos on YouTube of people trying out these slime kits, and I would love to make some of those as well, but I wasn't able to buy them on this trip, but I thought I would just show you what there was. I had this section here. This was like the softy dough clay type section, and then over here there were even more slime kits and things. They had its own section for slime. And here I saw this really cool 3D paint. I didn't get it here, I don't think, but I thought that was cool that it was multicolored. And they had tons of really cool things here. I could have spent way longer in there just looking at everything, and I could have spent a lot more in there, but you know, that would hurt the bank account. So that's a really cool little ball I was playing with and looking around. They have some really interesting items there, and I just wanted to show you. Here is the slime section. They had some putties, some clear ones. They had squishies as well, as I'm showing here, and they had this really cool slime remover, which I thought was really interesting. I've never seen that before anywhere, so that can be really helpful if you get slime stuck somewhere, but I just tend to use a plain old baby wipe. So I got this glitter glue to see if it would make slime if it has PVA in it, because not all glitter glues do, and so I ended up getting that. I thought about it, put it back, and ended up taking it. And here is another section with some more toys, some squishies, and that was pretty much everything I got at Five Below. So make sure you check the link down below to purchase my slime recipe book, Ultimate Slime, if you want to learn how to make your own slime. I hope you all have a fabulous rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching. Keep creating, and I will see you all next time.